Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English for Everyone podcast. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Joey. We are so happy to have you with us today. Today, we are going to explore the world of modern living. We want to talk about how we navigate our social lives, our careers, and our personal growth.
That's right. And today we are talking about a topic that can make you feel refined or completely out of place: modern dining and social etiquette.
Oh, out of place is exactly how I feel at fancy restaurants, Rachel. I walked into a gala last week and there were 3 different forks next to my plate. I felt like I was in a math class trying to solve a puzzle.
Out of place. That's a perfect idiom for feeling like you don't belong in a certain situation. But Joey, etiquette isn't about being perfect. It's about making others feel comfortable.
Making others feel comfortable. That's a relief, so I don't have to memorize which fork is for the salad and which one is for the fish.
Well, there's a simple rule of thumb. Work from the outside in.
Outside in. So the fork furthest from my plate is the one I use first? That's a lifesaver. But what about the napkin? Do I tuck it into my shirt like a bib?
No, Joey, please don't wear it like a bib. You unfold it and place it on your lap the moment you sit down.
On my lap. Got it. And what if I have to excuse myself to go to the restroom? Do I bring the napkin with me?
No, you loosely fold it and place it on your chair. It signals to the server that you are coming back.
Signals. That means sends a message. And when I'm finished, I put it on the table, right?
Exactly, to the left of your plate. Now, let's talk about the phone. In 2026, digital etiquette is just as important as the table manners.
I'm guilty of this one, Rachel. I always check my notifications during dinner. Is it rude to have my phone on the table?
It's more than rude, it's distracting. It tells your dinner companion that your phone is more interesting than they are. Keep it in your pocket or in your bag.
Guilty. That means deserving blame. I guess I should apologize to my friends. What about small talk at a cocktail party? I never know how to mingle.
Mingling. That's the act of moving around a room and talking to different people. Don't hog the conversation.
Okay, Rachel, give me the social secret. How do I gracefully end a conversation with someone who won't stop talking? I don't want to be abrupt.
That's a tricky one. Don't just walk away. Use a polite exit strategy.
An exit strategy, like in chess? How do I escape without being awkward?
Say something like, "It's been lovely chatting with you, but I promised myself I'd circulate and say hi to a few more people."
Circulate. That's a sophisticated way to say move around. So I'm being polite but firm about moving on.
Exactly. You're ending on a high note.
Ending on a high note. That means finishing something successfully. I love that. What about the bill? If I'm invited to dinner, do I offer to pay?
The golden rule is the person who invites pays. But in 2026, it's very common to split the bill or go Dutch.
Going Dutch. That's a funny idiom. It means everyone pays for their own meal. I always offer to chip in just in case.
Chipping in, that means contributing a small amount of money. That is very chivalrous of you, Joey.
Chivalrous. That's a big word. It means being polite, honest, and kind, especially towards others. I'm a modern knight, Rachel.
You certainly are. And finally, the RSVP. If you get an invitation, respond quickly. Don't leave them hanging.
Leaving someone hanging. That means keeping them waiting for a decision or an answer. I'll respond to your dinner invite immediately next time, I promise.
Well, I think we've aced our manners today.
I feel classy already. Let's review our polished vocabulary.
Vocabulary review. 1. Out of place, meaning feeling uncomfortable or not belonging in a particular situation or environment. Example, I felt a bit out of place at the tech conference because I'm not very good with computers. 2. Rule of thumb, meaning a broadly accurate guide or principle based on experience rather than theory. Example, as a rule of thumb, you should arrive at the airport 2 hours before a domestic flight. 3. Unfold, meaning to open or spread out from a folded position. Example, he unfolded the map on the table to show us the route to the mountains. 4. Signal, verb or noun, meaning to give a sign or gesture to provide information or instruction. Example, the waiter signaled that our table was ready by nodding toward the dining room. 5. Distracting, adjective, meaning taking one's attention away from what they are doing or should be doing. Example, it's very distracting to try and study when the neighbors are playing loud music. 6. hog the conversation. Idiom, meaning to talk so much that other people don't have a chance to speak. Example, I like him, but he tends to hog the conversation and never asks anyone else questions. 7. Circulate, verb, meaning to move around a social event and talk to many different people. Example, as the host of the party, I need to circulate and make sure everyone has a drink. 8. End on a high note. Idiom, meaning to finish an activity, event, or period of time in a very successful or positive way. Example, the concert ended on a high note with a spectacular fireworks display. 9. Go Dutch. Idiom, meaning to share the cost of a meal or an outing equally. Example, we're all students, so let's just go Dutch on the pizza tonight. 10. Chip in, phrasal verb, meaning to contribute money, time, or effort toward a shared goal. Example, if everyone chips in $10, we can buy a really nice gift for the teacher. 11. Chivalrous, adjective, meaning of man or his behavior, courteous and gallant, especially toward women. Example, it was very chivalrous of him to offer her his umbrella during the rain. 12. Leave someone hanging. Idiom, meaning to keep someone waiting for a decision, an answer, or an action. Example, I'm still waiting for the bank to approve my loan. They've been leaving me hanging for weeks.
Use this bridge to explore the world. We are always here to help you.
Don't forget to check our community tab. We have a poll waiting for you.
Until next time, keep practicing and stay positive. Bye-bye.